locked my heart undercover. Two kids on schoolhouse concrete, hand in hand, me and you.
Right now I'm headed to Canary Wharf. It's 30 minutes away, and it's the only place I found to print papers so I can ship something. And then I'm gonna go up in the Olympic area. Oh my god! There's an ABBA Voyage concert, which is kind of cool. I don't listen to their songs enough to actually want to go. But yeah, anyways, I dropped off my parcel and now I'm gonna look for my fucking bike. And I bought books, which I better finish because I'm accumulating books. He has a small dick, that's all I have to say.
I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life.
I'm super excited to have a bike. Instead of buying a bike, I'm just doing a monthly subscription that I can cancel anytime. Are you happy?
Yeah.
There's so much excitement in her voice. It's because she's sick.
I am.
Honestly, that's her energy every day.
Take it back.
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me down.
Show me what I did the day you almost had a heart attack. Yes.
And I was go back to that corner and do your thing.
What? That was so... Okay, it's like almost 8, but I've been lazy and I've been chit-chatting and I was doing other stuff. Not really. But I'm back and I'm gonna organize my room. So yeah.
That you know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is so embarrassing. What is this? So the goal is to put the winter clothes and sweaters and anything too heavy on this shelf.
That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort. Show me some patience, 'cause I still got a lot of shit to recover from.
Only if I'm feeling better. Oh, this is fuck's sake.
I just started because you are so excited. She's trying to plan a day trip tomorrow. Day trip? Just like going out and...
I usually don't look ugly. Remember our pack? There'll be 5 ugly pictures you post of me. 1 good picture has to go up. It's okay. Today I'm looking ugly, but soon you'll see I look better. I can look better. I have the potential to look like really homeless and really good. This is just the homeless. I'm unwell. Tell them I'm unwell.
She's normal. Okay, it's midnight 30. I am exhausted in the heart. I made dinner for the both of us and it was so freaking good. And I'm just dying because we had dinner really late. Of course I showered as well, so this will be for tomorrow. Yeah. I've actually seen my acne get better since. Okay, and then I just let it sit for a few seconds or minutes so I can like have some effect or some whatever. I also do it for my chest and like in back. So basically when I shower, I put it on, scrub, leave it in for a few seconds or a few minutes while I do something else, then rinse it off, and then after the shower I always put this on. But honestly it's been working, so if you don't want something with prescription, I'm not a doctor by the way, so whatever acne you have and this doesn't work, I don't know how to help you, but I'm trying, okay? Plant-based, cruelty-free, 100% recycled bottles. Let's see in 3 months if I still have acne. Probably will. So, yeah. So basically, because we're too many people in this house and there's a lot of chores, we started tracking who does what. I haven't done the dishwasher in like forever, so today I've done it. And I'm gonna add my name, how we track our chores and how we keep people accountable in this flat.
They gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. The east spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me.
Laundry. Yes, chorus box. Yeah. So now I need to clean the floor. So sweep and mop my room, the living room, and the corridor. And I need to wash my hair, and I have still so many things to do on my to-do list because this is not even half of it.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I have finally come to a stage where this is more acceptable.
Never roll back. I won't go back.
As usual, with kicks.
This is child abuse.
You know, I think we should get.
What?
We can make Kura wear this.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Let's make it.
Why are you making my child? Ah!
Try it.
Good girl. Good girl.
Mama!
It's hard. It's not a dog. Just FYI.
Another reason why she should have called a dog.
This is a lot more organized, a lot cleaner. I am very proud. Oh my god, my hair is disgusting. The afternoon I didn't really want to vlog too much simply because I got a bit sick and I wasn't feeling very well after I cleaned the living room. I was still being productive, of course. I don't rest without doing something. That's just my toxic trait. It's just nice to know that I've done this because I've been trying to do this since I moved in. Honestly, when brain is messy, it doesn't matter. As long as my area and my surroundings are clean, I can feel peace. Okay. Hello world. So today's Tuesday and I didn't really vlog yesterday because I was just in a bad mood. I was tired and I was feeling like shit because I hadn't washed my hair in over a week, and yeah, that usually stresses me. So oh god, the noise, the wind. So I decided not to vlog or anything. And last night I went to bed at 9 and I was just really tired. I didn't receive the bike, by the way, which is kind of upsetting. Really sad. I was really hoping and looking forward to get the bike yesterday, but I didn't. Life, it's fine. I'm gonna get it Wednesday. I'm also gonna get the helmet Wednesday. Like, all in due time. It happens for reasons. I woke up kind of early and I was able to wash my hair, which is why it's out and loose. It's a bit messy because I didn't really style it. I just wanted to wash it. And I had the most horrible morning. Just a lot of stress, it was very tense, very upsetting. I was just so mad. Like, yeah, it's just one of those days, you know? But now, I don't know, things are going well. I was really upset about the project I was checking because there were so many things that are not going my way since the very beginning. And so now I'm finally taking, like, breaks. Like, you know, I feel chill, I'm able to relax. It's just one of those days that starts like shit and you have to keep a positive mindset and try to get through, because what else are you gonna do? Get angry, get mad? No. I'm just try not to stress about the things that I still have to do, try not to stress about the things I haven't achieved. Like, I don't have 500 hours in one day. I'm also allowed to just take breaks, just be a couch potato, just not do anything, and like stay on my phone and scroll. I don't have to be hyper productive every time, and I think it's something that I've always struggled with, and I still struggle with so much. And the past few months, I've really like made the effort to stop and like sleep in and rest, take some time, and I did, and now I took too much time, and now I need to get back into video editing and so whatnot. But it's good to just, yeah, and allow myself to be a couch potato, because there's nothing wrong with that, even if it takes me a long time to get back on track. I don't know, I'm trying, okay? So, one step at a time, one day at a time, yeah, one task at a time. I'll get there. But yeah, see you in a bit. Bye.
Locked my heart undercover, but you stole it like a thief in the night. I'm cold as December, but my temperature's running high. I don't believe in magic, but when you smile, it's too good to be true. Our love is automatic. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. I don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two. You're my supernova, the way you light